What's going on, guys? Yes, I'm back in Florida racing FTR once again, and not only that, this is going to be the first time I'm racing WR 250F and FTR. So I'm very excited, and let's see how I do. Let's get it. Want to hear what they told us? 75 people in this class.
75?
They're not even all here yet. They told us to get together. What class is it? Sportsman. Sportsman 1. 75. Yeah. Crazy. So, it's going to be fun. We're going to go for the whole shot.
Okay. Let me repeat. Please behave. You guys are a quarter inch of getting evicted out of FTR. These other classes are tired of you guys running into them, knocking them down, putting them off the course, everything else. FTR is tired of it. Ride and have fun and be respectful. That's all they're asking. Okay? Double green. Don't cut the course. Don't run into people. Just go have fun and ride your buddy.
Yeah, no punching.
No
No fighting, no kicking.
Not cutting the course.
Yeah, no crashing into each other. Okay, copy. I understand. I don't know what I signed up for, but here we are.
What do I stand at? I don't think you hold it. I think they're going to be.
We're about to start. See you guys there.
10 seconds!
Without losing my fucking mind, I will not be doing a place counter for this video, only because there's 75 fucking people. With that being said, I will be doing a crash counter, so every time we see somebody crash, we're just gonna put a point up and then count them all up at the end.
God damn. Well, I'm okay, but I'm just kind of stuck. Holy shit! I got it. Take off, man. Woo! I broke my fucking helmet. I don't even know what the fuck tripped me up.
Hey guys, when you see me walk under this thing, I'm gonna close somebody that comes through here, and then I'll pull the track right here. So when you see me go under this thing, just kind of make a little bit of a wide space. Okay. Yes, sir. Like no number plates, no background, no nothing. Oh, wow. He just got there. Trying to get it twice. I figure this is the narrowest area I'm gonna get. Yeah. Wow, I can't believe he would do that, something like that. For the rest of us. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, nothing. Where? That's him right there. He just pulled over.
Alright guys, well that's a wrap. That was probably the craziest race of my fucking life, man. I had a blast. We'll probably be racing dirt bikes next race too as well. Not sure yet, we haven't decided, but I mean I had a blast. So we'll definitely be doing this more often. Right now I'm about to go catch up with Max and Sam. They're about to take off in Quad Juniors. So stay tuned for their video next week. It's gonna be posted a week after this one is. So yeah. Alright guys, well that's it for me, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.